The first ghost that we'll talk about is that first and second person pronouns are not allowed, when in fact it is okay to say I and you in APA style papers. If you're referring to yourself, use the pronoun I to refer to yourself. If you're working on a group project, so there's co-authors, then you would use the pronoun we to refer to the work that you and your co-authors did. If you're speaking directly to your audience, you should just say you, because that's what you mean. Something that we commonly see is people referring to themselves in the third person. So they might say something like, the author analyzed 100 studies for the meta-analysis. But what they mean is that they did that work of the meta-analysis. And so you would want to say, I analyzed 100 studies for the meta-analysis in your work. Related to this is to avoid the editorial we. This is also called like the royal we, which is referring to you, a singular person in the plural. And people often use that when they want to make a general statement. Like they might be like, we all have hopes and dreams. Well, what do you mean by we? You should think and try to choose a more precise noun to be clear about exactly the population that you're talking about. Like, do you really mean all people, or do you mean maybe a more specific subset of people? Maybe students or people of particular ages or people of a particular profession would be the group that you're actually talking about. So depending on the assignment, pronouns might not come up at all, but if it's something more personal, like say a response paper or a reaction paper, then using those first person pronouns is vital.